Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to change PIN on Windows 11 quickly and securely. If you want to update your sign-in PIN, now let's get started. Step 1. Click the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. The Start menu gives access to apps and system features. It's the main place to begin any changes. Step 2. Click on Settings from the Start menu. Settings lets you control system preferences and account options. This is where sign-in settings are managed. Step 3. Click Accounts from the left panel. The Accounts section handles your user details and sign-in information. Your PIN is connected to this account. Step 4. Click Sign-in options on the right side. Here you can see different login methods like password, fingerprint, and PIN. This section controls how you access your PC. Step 5. Click PIN, Windows Hello. Windows Hello provides secure and quick sign-in options. The PIN is device-specific and safer than a password. Step 6. Click Change PIN under the PIN settings. This allows you to update your existing PIN. Changing it improves security. Step 7. Enter your current PIN in the box. This confirms your identity before changes are made. It keeps your account protected. Step 8. Enter the new PIN you want to use. Choose something memorable but not easy to guess. You can add letters and symbols if allowed. Step 9. Re-enter the new PIN to confirm it. This prevents typing mistakes. It ensures smooth login later. Step 10. Click OK to save the changes. Your new PIN will be active right away. You can use it the next time you sign in. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.